Assalamu alaikum. Wishing you all a wonderful day. Craving something warm and comforting? Let's make a budget-friendly soup together. Now, let's jump straight into the recipe. Chicken and vegetable soup. Let's start the recipe. 3 to 4 liters of water. 200 grams of chicken with bones. 1 small-sized onion. 1-inch piece of ginger. 1 green chili. Salt to taste. Bring to a boil. Now cook on low heat for 3 hours. Remove the chicken from the broth. Shred the chicken, then remove and discard the onion and chili. 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add shredded chicken. Sauté for 4 to 6 minutes. Now add 1 cup of grated carrots. Sauté for 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup of grated cabbage. Sauté for 2 minutes. Now add the sautéed chicken and vegetables to the chicken broth. Cook until it starts boiling. Add black pepper powder to taste. Add 1 beaten egg. Add the egg to the broth, then mix after 1 minute. For 4 tablespoons of corn flour mix with 1/2 cup of water. Add in the broth and mix well. Tip: use a wooden spoon for thicker soup consistency. Alhamdulillah. Our chicken and vegetable soup is ready to serve. Enjoy your delicious soup. Hope you love this easy recipe. Stay tuned for more budget-friendly recipes. See you soon with another tasty dish. Till then, happy cooking! Don't forget to subscribe for more. Stay connected for everyday cooking inspiration. Cook smart, eat better. Your budget-friendly kitchen partner. Cooking in a budget.